Do you want your videos to flow smoothly from one clip to the next? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add transitions in CapCut Mobile. Transitions can make your videos more polished and professional. Let's get started! First step is launch CapCut Mobile and open existing project or create a new one. Make sure you have at least 2 photos or video clips on the timeline, since transitions are applied between clips. Second step is to look for the small white box or transition icon located between 2 clips and tap it. This opens the transition library, where you will find categories like basic, camera, slide, blur, and many more. Third is to browse through the available options and tap on the transition to preview how it looks. Once you find the one you like, adjust its duration by dragging the slider to make the effect faster or slower. If you want the same transition throughout your project, select Apply to All to save time and keep your editing style consistent. And that's how you add transitions in CapCut Mobile. With the right transition and timing, you can create smoother, more engaging videos that keep your audience watching from the start to finish. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless us all.